Hello everyone, I'm gonna share with you a great way, a proven way to make money online today. $100 till $300 per hour. You don't need any skills, any experience. You can start it today. Please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe right now to watch more videos just about earning money online, master your life, master your business. And there is a great course here in 21 steps how to become a millionaire. You can watch these great videos are waiting for you. So the website that today I'm gonna share with you, and you can earn thousands of dollars really on this website, and you can start making money online from $100 till $300 on just this website. And it really works. It's a great website, and you can trust this website, because this website, it really works, and you can earn money online and start making money online today after watching this video. So let's go. The website is respondent.io. This website is a great website, and as you see, this is the homepage of this website. Get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. Easily resource research participants for in-person, remote, or online research studies. As you see, great companies come here. They wanna search about the products they're gonna make, or about the software they're gonna make, or about everything before making and creating their products or any project that they wanna do. They will come here and they start putting their subject here, and then other people will tell their opinions, will leave comments for their projects, and they tell the different things for their projects, or for whatever they need to know about their project, about their products, about their websites, or anything else it is. Find any research participant anywhere in the world, and this is a great website that is worldwide, available worldwide, and that sounds interesting, that it doesn't depend on where you are. You can start earning money today on this website, because even if you live in Vietnam, Philippines, Pakistan, anywhere in the world, the United States, European countries, Asian countries, African countries, you can start making money online today on this website. It's a great website that you can start earning money. As you see, there are different people from different countries: United States, France, Mexico, Indonesia, United Kingdom, and other countries. Intelligent sourcing, transparent data, and dedicated to quality. How it works? This is for customers, not for you. They post a project, and then they invite and schedule. After that, conduct your research and pay research participants. That's it. That's all the process of this website for customers, and also for you to know how it works. Used by research from the world's leading brands, and there are great brands are here working with this website: Intercom, Dropbox, IBM, Microsoft, GoDaddy, and there are a lot of them. They working with this website, and this is a great website. I really recommend you start working online with this website, because it's a great website that really works. And if you want to make money online, this is the first website for you to start earning money. Then we click here for respondents. We come here, get paid for participating in research studies. Respondent is the fastest way to find high-paying research opportunities. And really it is like this. And up to now, you see this amount of money they paid to respondents. Average interview length is 30 minutes, and average hourly payment is about $140. $140 for you. And it's average money. You can earn even $300 per hour. And the steps: verify your profile, get matched, participate, and get paid. When invited to a study, you will be able to select a time that fits your schedule. And then after schedule and finishing your job, you get paid. That's it. Afterwards, get paid automatically via PayPal. A respondent only collects a 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. As you see, you need to have PayPal account, and I already told you that if you don't have, you really need to have a PayPal account. If you want to start making money online, you need a PayPal account, and that's a fact that you need, because most of the websites on the internet, they use PayPal. Earn money referring friends, and also you can start earning money by referring friends. Sign up as a respondent and refer friends to paid studies. Share studies with people in your network that are likely to be a good fit. And that's it. Start earning today. That's easy. That's really easy. You can do it, and you can start making money online today. Let's see the services. Here we click services here. Customize project management services for your next research project. This is services for customers, not for you, but we want to dive into this website to see every part of this website, that how it works. And because when you want to start working with a website, you need to know everything about this website, because this website, it's really serious. It's really serious, and you can start making money online on this website today. That's why you should take it serious and start knowing everything, each part of this website. Let us manage your project from start to finish, or do it yourself. Add services you need, and that's it. You see project and calendar setup, screener consultation and writing, researcher services, verbal phone rescreening, and Creda and typing tool management. Let us know how we can help your project succeed. And then we click on pricing. We come here. Pricing kept simple, no matter your needs. Only pay for respondents that participate. Get managed services at a set price. You see, when you start participating in one project, after finishing, then you will get paid. And also this is a nice way, because customers are really sure about payments, about everything, that really works really great. That's why a lot of companies work with this website. And this is the price for customers, for companies, not for you. And there is a pricing calculator also for, not for you, for customers, for companies. And we click on customers. We come here. Considering the full range of customer experience. So you can click on here, view case study, and feature the story. Different companies here, different stories. As you see, Allstate, huge, Canvas, Alation, eBay, classifieds group, and you see different people here. And more stories. Alibaba.com is here, and user testing, Pebble and Weebly, and different websites, different companies, different brands working with this website. If you want to really make money online today, you can start earning money online with this website. So first start here for respondent. You see, we come here, and this is a page that I already showed you. You can start making money online today. We will start here, start for here, we will start, and then we come here. Let's get started. First, tell us what you're looking for. Get paid for participating in research interviews, source respondents, and schedule research interviews. You can choose just one of them. We can choose just one of them, and then get started. I'm a respondent, I'm a researcher. You can start here. So needs your email, and then also you can sign up with your LinkedIn or Facebook, and then you can continue and create an account on this website. And here there is a menu of browse projects. Click it. We come here. As you see, there are projects that they're gonna pay you money because of participating. Product manager, product owners in agile software development teams. Second, basic and expert users of Azure Monitor Metrics. It is for 30 minutes. They will pay $75. For 60 minutes, they will pay. This actually company pays you $110 for 60 minutes. This one $100 for 60 minutes, $75 for 30 minutes. Different jobs, $150 for 60 minutes, $100. You see different prices, different amount of money. You can make money online on this website. If you're really serious to make money online, you can start it today on this website. And it really works. This website, it really works. You can trust this website because there are a lot of companies, great brands work with this website, and you can start making money online with this website today, actually without any skills, without any experience. And you can start earning money, and you can choose a project that fits you. I mean, and whenever when you start creating account, they will ask you about your skills, about your experience, where do you live, and everything, and your interests, and what are you interested in, which major, your education, everything. They ask you about everything. Please be honest with them and tell them all the realities, all the facts, and then they will send you some projects that fits you. After that, you'll be able to start making money online with this website if you participate in those projects that they're gonna send you after creating your account. And please be honest with creating an account, and put the right information there. And that's it. You can start making money online today with this website. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.